Think of the mind at birth as an undisturbed forest, and as you walk and etch certain pathways in that forest, such is your mind with the pathways and directions that you decide to take. The roads or pathways more frequently traveled will be the autopilot, or the default at which you operate and direct your efforts towards. The least traveled paths will be those which are neglected and must be cleared out. Right? Think of trails when you go for a walk and you see trails that are taken frequently and maintained, and then those that aren't, and they're overgrown. And that's much like things that we learn in our lives and habits that we accumulate and pick up or lose. So just like that undisturbed forest, making pathways through it in the beginning are difficult. Just like that could be likened to or analogous to learning something new or building a new habit. It's difficult in the beginning because we haven't created that pathway. There's a lot of brush that we have to cut through. Cut through that brush. That's the hard part. But once you can cut through that brush and you can have a clearer vision of what you're working with, that's when the opportunities start to come. They start to open up. So just remember that our minds are like forests, and the trails and pathways that we take will determine the main thrust of our life and where we are heading. So let's make sure we're not walking down the wrong trails, the wrong pathways. And if we are, let's desert those, let's prune those, let's leave those behind and start to walk on a better trail. Thank you.